Good day everyone, my name is Kier Monteron and we're going to discuss about multiplying radicals. First is what is radical? Radical, the radical symbol that is used to denote the square root or nth roots. Then a radical expression is an expression containing a square root. Multiplying radicals. Here are the steps to divide or multiply a radicals. First is ensure that the index of each radical is the same and that the denominator is not a 0. Second is convert the expression to one radical. Third, simplify where possible. And last, rationalize the denominator if necessary. So, for example, we have square root of 6 times square root of 4. So, square root of 6 multiplied by square root of 4 is square root of 24. Then, find two numbers that one is a perfect square. Then, just factor of 24 is 4 times 6 and it is equal to square root of 2 squared times 6. Then the final answer is 2 square root of 6. We have another example which is square root of 12 times square root of 3. Square root of 12 multiplied by square root of 3 is square root of 36. Since 36 is a perfect square, so we can rewrite it into square root of 6 squared. Then cancel the power of 2 and the square root. So the final answer is 6. So let's have another example. We have square root of 16 times square root of 4. Square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 4 is equal to square root of 64. Since it is also a perfect square, so we can rewrite it into the square root of 8 squared. Then cancel the radical sign and the squared, and the final answer is 8. So number 4 is square root of 8 multiply by square root of 5. Square root of 8 multiplied by square root of 5 is equal to square root of 40. Find two numbers that one is a perfect square. Since 4, then it is equal to square root of 4 times 10. Since 4 is a perfect square, then we can rewrite it into 2 squared. Then the answer is the square root of 2 squared times 10. Then cancel the squared and 2 is in the inside. Then the final answer is 2 square root of 10. Let's have number 5, which is square root of 9 times square root of 3. Square root of 9 multiplied by 3 is square root of 27. Then find two numbers that one is a perfect square. So the factor of 27 is 9 and 3. So square root of 9 times 3. Since 9 is a perfect square, so we can rewrite it into 3 squared. So the answer is square root of 3 squared times 3. The final answer is 3 square root of 3. So that's all. Thank you.